Hey guys, so I also went to the 99-cent store to pick up some candy for my little jar that I have over there. And that's why I am filming to show you guys like the final look on how my kitchen looks like. Because in my previous video where I did the tutorial, you guys did not see any of those decorations. So I'll be showing you guys on the next clip how everything's looking like, and also how everything is under a budget. So seriously, if you guys want to redecorate your home, redecorate your kitchen, or redecorate a certain part of your home or whatever, you guys can easily find many things in the Purple 99. I'm telling you guys, they have like this section where they have canvases, lights, and just weird gadgets. And honestly, there's some cute stuff in there. I ain't gonna lie, like I like a lot of stuff in there. So there's a couple of things in Dollar Tree, like little decorations as well. I've seen it, just not as much as the Purple 99, but it's anybody's preference. Another thing I like pointing to you guys, I also wanted to show you guys my nails, bitch, because they're just so cute. Shout out to my nail girl, Glam 10 Nails. You guys should go check her out. I'm gonna put her somewhere around the screen here, and so you guys can go check out her work. She's in the LA area, so definitely go check her out.
What's good, guys? This is G. So welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, what's good? My name is Michelle. Today I'm gonna be talking about, as you guys can read by the title, a little bit about my kitchen decor haul that I got in affordable places. So I got this tilted jar right here, which you can also put up right. I've been looking for this in Target and Walmart. They were like $12-15, and I was like, never mind. So then I actually ran into this in the 99-cent store, in the Purple 99 to be exact, for just $1. I'm planning to put some wrapped candies in there so everything could look nice and cute and everything in the kitchen. I also did get this in the 99-cent store, but it was not 99 cents, girl. It was $3.99. This fork and knife canvas, I felt like really went well with the kitchen aesthetic, so I loved it. This wooden piece I actually got at Dollar Tree, and I felt like the rules here are actually 100. And I actually been having this for years, but I felt like I had to show you guys.
Alright guys, sorry for the interruption, but there was a quick story time and I had to tell you guys. Another wooden piece that was actually supposed to be up there, but unfortunately it's not, and I'm gonna tell you why. It's a bit wider, but everything else is the same, and it was actually this right here. So let me explain to you guys this tragedy and what the fuck happened. So this is my favorite show of all time. Been liking it since I was little, and I'm gonna like it until I die. This wooden piece here I actually got in City Walk. So I was trying to clean it because it's dirty. You guys can see here it's dirty. Plus baby daddy decided to be funny, erased the artist's name, crossed it out with lipstick, wrote his name on there, and I didn't like that, so I was trying to erase that. You guys see that shit? So I started right here erasing. I was like, okay, I'm tripping. And then I went over here and I was like, oh shit, like this shit is actually taking off, it's erasing, what the fuck. So I stopped, and then it got dry, and when it got dry I saw more of a mess, right? It was like I didn't realize all of this shit happened, and I'm so fucking sad and I'm so fucking mad. This was actually supposed to be up there looking all cute, but you know, that motherfucker.
Anyway, so for this knife, fork, and spoon napkin holder, I actually got this at Dollar King for just $1. I thought it was a well-added piece to my kitchen. Guys, so this piece right here, I ain't gonna lie, it's my favorite piece in the whole kitchen. I actually been looking for a chef for my kitchen, and I actually found this coincidentally in a thrift shop for $14.99, and this one has two motherfuckers in it. I was like, yes, I had to get it. I'm in love.
So yeah guys, I don't know what to name them. I kind of do want to name them like a Pepe, like a Jose, like something. I want to name my chefcitos. If you guys have any names for my chefcitos, I'll be calling them from now on. These little homies right here, let me know in the comment section. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this kitchen decor affordable haul. It was definitely another video straight out of my comfort zone, because I am usually busy doing makeup videos, but I have been doing these kitchen videos, and I hope you guys have been enjoying them. I wanted to do this just because I wanted to show you guys that no matter where you are right now in life, no matter what your current situation is, no matter if you have set a goal for yourself and you're working towards that goal, but right now you're in this space, no matter what room you pick that you want to make changes to, you want to bring life to, you guys are definitely going to be able to do that in something that is affordable, apartment friendly, not permanent, and you're gonna bring your own style into it. You guys can buy affordable things like I did on Dollar Tree, the Purple 99, thrift shopping. You guys can find these things, and they're very cool things right there. Like, there's stuff in the Purple 99 that I never even imagined there would be. Many different things for whatever you decide to decorate.
Yeah, my kitchen looks very simple. Like, I got very simple stuff, but trust me, this made a major change in my whole entire kitchen. I wish I could show you guys a before and after, to show you guys the cochinera that there was before there, stuff that I didn't even need that was just sitting there, and how it is now. Everything just looks much brighter, cleaner, fresher, and way much better than it was before, and I'm super happy with my kitchen. So yes, definitely try this, guys.
So yeah, I hope you guys keep that in mind, and remember, if you guys enjoyed this video, then remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and help a homegirl out. And remember, like I always be saying, remember to do something different, try something new, and get the fuck out your comfort zone, honey. So with that being said, I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye guys, see you guys